So I don't need you to be taking notes on this part, but what you can see here is a flowchart that makes it a little bit easier to understand. You see our big section headers, but I also want you to take note of these arrows. If we were drawing a concept map for the middle school version, it would look like this. That's not what we're doing in science. So, we explore the natural world around us. Then, what we can do from that is we can test our ideas and our hypothesis. So you see here, hypothesis, expected, and actual results. And then we have to interpret those results. This says inspire, revised, or new hypothesis. So maybe you might go back up here. Okay? Or it may support a hypothesis, in which case you might get some of these benefits. Or you can put it out for community feedback. See what other people think. Based on the community feedback, you may have more ideas to test or explore. The community feedback may lead you to discover that your finding has more benefits than you may have thought. And these benefits may lead you to want to collect more data. And anytime you collect data, that data might open up new questions. So let's make a simplified version of this for your notes. We have exploration and discovery. Which may lead to you needing to test ideas. And when we test ideas, that's when we have the hypothesis, the expected result, and the actual result. These actual results might have you rethinking your hypothesis and collecting more data. Or perhaps the actual results support the hypothesis that you made. In which case, it can go two ways. You can share those results and get community feedback. And those results might open your eyes to some benefits that you may not have realized before, like developing technology or influencing society or policy. And what's important, and I would use a different color for this, but what's really important to note is that community feedback can lead to the discovery of further benefit. Community feedback can also lead to further questions, so you may want to know more. Similarly, benefits that you discover might lead to further questions as well. Each of these might also inspire you to collect more data. So this is the basics of the scientific method. This graphic right here. And this is what I want you guys to focus on for this class. Because this is the high school scientific process.